George balloon.
Okay,
Hold
what
it.
do
Don't
you
let him in.
see?
Oh, I want to take pictures. Wait for me. Wait. Happy birthday, Logan. Stay here. Stay here.
What do you see? What do you see?
wants
So
his
let
coat
me
off.
go. Let me go. Wait for Grandma. Did you find it?
What is it? Hey. Happy birthday, Logan.
Hurry, Mom.
Say happy
Come on.
birthday.
Come
Happy
on.
birthday. He's gonna run and you're not gonna take him. Happy birthday. Come here, Logan.
Oh my goodness, there's videos everywhere.
Oh, I didn't even get a good one. God. Show me a smile, Logan. Wait.
There's balloons everywhere. Sorry.
Of course it doesn't work. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow. Logan.
Wow. This much carpet.
Hey, what is that?
How much I got?
Because that's mine. What do you have?
What is that?
Choose from a wide selection of quality products right at home and save 60%. That's huge.
Come here and look. Look at
60%
Look
off
at all
purchase.
those
Won't last long.
balloons.
Call Empire today.
Oh my goodness.
Sunday on the Celebrity Apprentice.
See, those are mine. Wow. What you got? Excited?
Oh, it's too bad. Daddy, get this thing out. Who's clever?
Are you excited?
Tuesday, the Biggest Loser makeover.
Are you excited? You got balloons all over.
Biggest Loser premieres Tuesday on NBC.
Got balloons all over.
This is 4 dozen.
There's one more downstairs. Oh my goodness. No, it was 30. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, are you tangled? Are you tangled?
Logan, look at Grandma. Come here, look at me. Logan, look at Grandma. Smile. No, don't come close. Go stand by the balloons. I want to take your picture. Okay, look at me. Turn around. Logan. Turn around. Turn around. Logan.
Hey.
Logan. No smile. Just.
He's too excited.
Look at all those balloons.
He's too excited.
Look at all those balloons. Look, 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 look. Boom. Except now
Are you in the balloons? Because I want to get in this.
Logan, look at Grandma. Can't even get his face out. Hi, Dee Dee. Are you feeling better? Huh? Are you feeling better?
1,000 women are diagnosed with reproductive cancers. But we're surviving.
What do you think?
Logan, look at Grandma.
Okay, let me show you. This one has to be forward. Okay, right there. And you see this down here? What's down here?
Speed. I am speed.
Uh-oh. You better run, Daisy. You better run.
Do you see your foot down here?
How'd it go?
Down here. You gotta push that with your piggy. Oh!
Okay, that was not smart.
Okay, stop. Stop. All right.
Daisy, go, go, go. Logan. Logan, look at Grandma. Logan.
Hey, they want to take your picture.
Smile.
Hey, they want to take your picture.
Logan.
Hey, let them take your picture. Let them take your picture.
No.
You want to go outside with it for a little bit? Stop. Let's go outside. Okay.